Welcome everybody, this is Mr. Weather Forecast here with another video. So today we're going to be talking about Hurricane Lee. That what will happen next is going to be a lot. So without further, let's start with today's video. So anyways, right here, as you can see right now, there is a Hurricane Lee down here in the Atlantic, which, as you can see, according to the satellite imageries, this is what's going to look like right now as of today. But this is not completely it, because as we go further, we're also going to be talking about all about the wind speeds, the arrival, and also what the potential of this hurricane will be. So let's first go with the time and what the conditions should look like. As of right now, it is 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 5 p.m. as you'll say. Right now, as you can see, this is a hurricane by no more later than 2 p.m. on Thursday. As later as we go further, by 2 a.m. on Friday, this will still to become a hurricane. But as later as we go further, on 2 p.m. on Friday, this will turn into a major hurricane, and it will last over at least until Monday. This would also occur for some stronger winds and some possible chance of a lot of stuff that goes on with this hurricane. And also, to take a little more further speculation, we're also going to see all the wind speeds and all this kind of stuff. So this is the wind speed of what is according from the National Hurricane Center. So the National Hurricane Center is issuing the 90% chance of having stronger winds or tropical storm force winds right here. As you can see right here in some parts of Puerto Rico, the whole part of Puerto Rico is going to be under the 5 to 10% of this tropical storm wind force, which is 1 minute of average of 39 miles per hour. To this one, the parts of Puerto Rico will get some parts of 5 to 10% chance of tropical storm wind force, and also for some parts of the Dominican Republic. This will also affect for some parts of the Dominican Republic, which could cause a 5% chance of strong hurricane force or tropical storm force right here in the Dominican Republic. And to make it even more further, this is what's going to happen. So for more later, right here, as of right now, it is currently in the 90% chance. But as later as we go further to the major ones, this will start to lower down. This will somewhat lower down a little bit, but as later as we go further, somewhere near by Saturday, this will turn into a 90 to an 80% of this tropical windstorm, which this could affect for no other areas, but down here this is what's going to affect for Puerto Rico and some parts of the Dominican Republic. Also, to make even more time, this is the current timing or the arrival what will happen. So this is the arrival time. Right now it is Wednesday, 6 p.m., which this is already the current time. But on Wednesday, which is today, on 8 p.m., this will still to become a hurricane. And as later as we go further, by later on Thursday, all the way from here, this will still become a hurricane until later by Friday. This will become a major hurricane. And as later as we go further on Saturday, on 8 p.m., this will arrive into Puerto Rico within on 8 p.m. Saturday. And as we go further, Sunday is also going to still go on with Major Hurricane Lee. And as it goes further on 8 p.m. on Sunday, some parts of the eastern side of the Dominican Republic is also going to get some possible major hurricanes. And then later it will go straight into the Bahamas, and as later as